You have 4 minutes to dial that phone number.
That's it?
That's it. With that phone.
Wait, so you have to push it, right?
Kyle, move your butt over. I don't want your butt in the
My
video.
fingers don't...
There you go.
It's all the way from here.
Yeah. 7.
Oh no, zero's all the way over. How do I restart?
Did you...
Okay. Right here. Alright.
7. Then... Just fiddle it a little bit.
Maybe.
8.
That's 7.
Yeah, 7.
Another 0.
Or do you go all the way around back here? Wait.
Dude, that makes sense.
Wait. Ah, yeah, we got it. Alright. Yeah. All the way around. Like go. 8. 7. Another 0, all the way around. 3. Oh, baby. 8. 5. 0. All the way around.
Okay, so I'll give you a hint. Your 0 is correct. Every other way you're doing it is incorrect. Is that correct in saying it that way?
Yeah. So you don't stop at this. Oh, does the last one? Because look.
You just successfully dialed 0.
No. Stop. Okay. So.
Wait. So when we go like this, they said that was right.
Kyle, move to your right a little bit, please.
I don't like that.
So
It's alright.
So if this was 0, then
Wait.
does the second
Look,
one
watch out.
Does the second
Is this
one
correct?
0?
Bring it all the way around and then like, bruh. This is dumb.
Wait, so look, that's 0, so that's 1 ahead. What if you went just?
You guys have made this all worth it.
Everyone has struggled like you guys.
Yeah, everybody
Yes.
has.
I think of different.
Wait a minute.
Think of different.
Do we have to pick up the phone and then do it?
Put the phone to your ear. What do you hear? What does that sound like? Okay, that's a start.
Alright, watch out.
Incorrect. Correct for a 0.
What does 0 sound like? What does 0 sound like?
It just goes and ends it.